Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Karari Dalchini. As a part of our Chinese platter recipes, this is part 2 where we are making sweet chili sauce, which is a complement to any starters or snacks. Do check out the other dishes of the platter which are spring rolls, noodles and Chinese vegetables. I'll add the links at the end and in description. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Finely chop 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 7 to 8 red and green chilies. If it is difficult for you to chop garlic that fine, you can try my method or you can use the mixer grinder. Just turn it on once and then instantly turn it off. Once or twice do that because we need a fine grind, not paste. Now in a saucepan, we'll add 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of sugar. You can use regular white sugar or brown sugar, no issues. 7 to 8 chopped green chilies. And 2 tablespoons of the chopped garlic. Around 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. Stir it and now bring it to a boil. Keep stirring from time to time. Once it starts boiling, take the gas flame to low. Now as it will come to a proper boil, add 1 tablespoon of cornflour and 1 tablespoon of water together. Mix it up, make a slurry and add it in. Stir this in properly. Now let it boil for around 10 to 12 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally. Now while this is boiling, we can make our starters to serve with this. I have already uploaded a spring roll recipe in my channel, which will be a perfect combination with this sweet chili sauce. I'll add the link at the end and also in description. Now once the liquid thickens and comes to a sauce-like consistency, turn off the gas and let it cool down. Your sweet chili sauce is ready. You can transfer it into a bowl to cool down for some time. Or you can directly pour it into glass containers. Let it cool down completely. Close the lids and store it in the fridge. Now let us serve it with our crispy spring rolls. Subscribe to my channel to know the recipes for other dishes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.